Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue the story Should Wizard Hit Mommy? So students, last day we studied Should Wizard Hit Mommy, and in that part we studied that how does Jack explain the story to his daughter Johnny. Today we'll continue the story by the module number 2. So let's see the story. Everyone has a stamp of uniqueness. This uniqueness and individuality should be prized and always upheld. We all know that everyone has a unique talent, unique quality, but this uniqueness and this individuality should be prized and always upheld. Like us, the story we had studied that Roger Skunk had the problem, and he had the problem of what the problem he had. Actually, he had the problem that all the other animals would call him Stinky Skunk. But to solve his problem, he went to see the wizard, and then after the wizard, by chanting some magic words, remove his stinky smell. But this question had in the mind of Johnny: should wizard hit mommy? Why does this question come here? Today we'll discuss. Okay. So the father will continue the story, and let's see the story. First of all, we recap the chapter what we had studied last day. The chapter captures a very sensitive reaction of a small girl to an important aspect of the story that her father narrates to her. The story reveals the worldwide of a little child to a difficult moral question that shows her mental or psychological richness. Jo is a little girl of 4 years. She is engaged in a story session with her father. Jack, the father, used to tell her a story every evening, and especially for Saturday naps. Jo feels herself involved with the characters and the happenings. The story always had an animal with a problem. The old owl advises him to visit the wizard who would solve the problem. And Skunk's problem, he smelled bad, visited the wizard who changed it to the smell of roses. So today we'll continue the story by the page number 52 to 55. So today's key points are, first of all, the last key point that we are discussing here, the story about of Roger Skunk. This one is continue. So the father Jack is telling the story to his daughter Johnny, and every Saturday he used to spill out story from his mind. Today he is also continuing the story. The skunk in the company of other woodland creatures. Last day we all know that what happened. Roger Skunk, he went to see the wizard, and after that wizard, by spelling some magic words, he just changed his fragrance into the roses. Then after he just changed his fragrance into the roses. Then by just the father Jack, he's telling that the Roger Fish changed. He had the fragrance of roses by that wizard, and the wizard demanded him some pennies. But meanwhile, Joe said that, Father, you said Roger Fish, and our story is of Roger Skunk. It's not of Roger Fish. So father just he just corrected himself and said that, oh yes, our story is of Roger Skunk. And later on, the Roger Skunk had the problem, and then after his problem resolved by wizard. But the main problem also he had that he had only 4 pennies, and the wizard demanded 7 pennies. He also needed 3 more pennies. The wizard suggested him to go to the land and also take a 3 round, and then after he would find the 3 pennies. The skunk do that thing the same way, and after collecting the 3 pennies, he handed to the wizard. And after that, when the wizard found the money, he also became happy, and also the skunk became happy. And what happened that he got the fragrance of roses, and later on he went to play with the other animals, and all the other animals welcome him, and they played many games like as lacrosse, baseball, and so on. Okay. After that, the little skunk became very happy. He had happiness, and by having the happiness, when he played with other little animals, after that at the evening time he went to see his mother. But meanwhile, he is also asking to Johnny, are you listening to the story or not? Johnny said that, yes, father, I am listening to the story. So after that, Roger Skunk became very happy and he just went to his home at late evening, late night, you can say that. And there, his mother asked him, when he reached there, his mother asked him, what's that awful smell? Skunk said that, it's me, mommy, I smell like roses. So, the skunk's mother, she became very angry. Who just changed your smell? And this is a very foul smell it's coming from you. He handed his hand and became very angry, and decided to go to see the wizard. But meanwhile, it happened. The skunk's mother went to see the wizard, and when she reached there, the wizard was in his home. He came out and he just asked what happened, and there she asked that you changed my son's fragrance. Wizard said yes. After that, the mommy became very angry and she had an umbrella, and after that she hid by that umbrella to that wizard, and the wizard changed his fragrance into that again stinky smell, and by that the stinky Roger Skunk and his mommy they went to their home. But meanwhile, Joe argues with her father. Joe said that, father, is that the story? No, this couldn't be the story. Actually, the wizard should hit the mommy, not the should hit the wizard. Because what about the other animals? If he would change his fragrance, then what about the other animals? The Roger Skunk would not be happy, he would not play with other animals, and so on. What could be? No, then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change the little skunk back. But father said that, no, Johnny, it's father's story. Do you want to tell the father a story or not? Then after Roger Skunk and his mommy, what happened? They both just came to their house, and then after, as usual, what happened? As usual, in the base story, we had seen that Roger's mommy, she used to just explain him his father's arrival of the stories from Boston. Later on, they took the supper, the meal of that day, and later on, also his mother just sleep him, just sing him song, and just then after she also suggested him that whatever the decision his mother took for him, that is very well. And this is the message here. Jack also wants to tell with her daughter Johnny. Okay. So students, but Joe has a problem. What's problem she had? She had the problem that, but daddy, all the other little animals run away. Joe here, she is not ready to agree about what was the father had said there. He said that in that story, the other animals, they would be understood that because whatever the decision the parents took, that are right. Not always the children are right. They sometimes they needed the help of the guide of their parents too also. So the father said that no, the story is right. Okay, but here Johnny said that tomorrow I want to tell me the story that wizard hit the mommy. Jack said that okay, tomorrow I'll see that. Okay, so right now you will take a sleep and I will just go to help your mother. Then after Jack went to help Claire, his wife, and when he reached there, he just caught an unpleasant situation. Jack, he was not happy with his family life. He was not happy with Claire too also. He is not happy with the relationship with Claire. His married life also he is not happy because he doesn't like the company of Claire. He felt himself humiliated by the society, by the surrounding, by the family, and so on. He was not happy. He just found himself in an unpleasant situation. Okay, so when he reached there, Claire said that was a long story, but Jack said that the poor kid. The poor kid means he said to Johnny. Johnny was a poor kid. She just insisted to be. She is demanding about the fact that is not going to be correct. Okay. So after that, there is a question for practice. Hope students you understood the story very well. Let's see the questions. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? By using magic wand, by chanting, by helping him get rid of foul smell. All these we know that the wizard helped Roger Skunk by helping him get rid of the foul. It means all options are right. Okay. Next one. Why does Roger's father want to punish the wizard? As a mature person, he thinks that wizard has tried to interfere with nature, so it must be punished because it doesn't like the wizard. He thinks that the wizard spoil children. None. Option number A is right. As a mature person, he thinks that the wizard has tried to interfere with nature, so it must be punished. Next one. Why does Joe call Roger's mom stupid? Because she doesn't listen, because she is stupid. It is because of her action that Roger starts smelling bad again. None. So right answer is C. Next one, question 4. Why does Joe want her father to tell a story in a different way? To give the story a sad ending, to understand the story better, to complete the story, to give the story a happy ending with an adult and mature understanding. The option D is right. Okay, so this is type for assignment. See the students. Question number 1. Why did Joe think that Skunk's mommy was stupid? How did Joe want the story of Roger Skunk to end? Why does Jack insist that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother? How did the Roger Skunk's mother get his old smell back? So students, see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this module very well. Thank you. Thank you very much.